Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, 9 plus 9 divided by 9 plus 9. If we see it, 9 plus 9 will be equal to 18. And here is divided by 9 plus 9. It is also equal to 18. So 18 divided by 18, it will be equal to 1. Hence, 1 will be our answer. But this method is wrong because we have not followed the order of operation. Now come to correct method. If we follow the order of operation, first and divisions are involved, and we have to solve division first according to PEMDAS are both mass are d mass. So divide is first priority. So 9 plus 9 divided by 9, it will be equal to 1. And here is plus 9. So these are three numbers and are being added. So 9 plus 1 will be equal to 10 plus 9. So 10 plus 9 will be equal to 19. Hence, 19 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my videos.